I think the argument again is that in by-elections, the person who wins is the person who has been on the ground and is most familiar to a constituent, not necessarily a party or, a figurehead that they go, oh yeah, okay. There's an awful lot more to just that. There's also the idea of maybe Gerry Hutch who might run again. He hasn't ruled himself out. We've seen other newspapers reporting that he is seriously considering whether or not he will run or not. Regardless, I think there is going to be a candidate, an anti-establishment candidate within the constituency who's going to run. Again, because it's a by-election and there's only one seat, transfers are crucial to absolutely everybody. I don't know if an anti-establishment candidate, Gerry Hutch or not, will benefit from that.
Possibly. I think Galway West is Sinn Féin's to lose.
Yeah.
And I don't think the government parties have much of a hope there.
Yeah.
Dublin Central is a bit more interesting. And I think maybe it's just because I lived around, we both live around the area. I have noticed more and more the last couple of years, Paschal Donohoe almost sort of bringing Ray McAdam, who's the Lord, Fine Gael Lord Mayor, behind him, get much more of a profile. In fact, he would have referenced him and name checked him a couple of times towards the general election last time. And I kind of thought, well, there's a clear plan here, and that had been in the works.
He's current Lord Mayor.
Current Lord Mayor, and he's been a councillor for many years down in that area, but not really Cabra Glasnevin.
Which is a crucial part of that constituency, Sorry, go on.
And which is kind of Mary Fitzpatrick.
It is,
home turf.
I think she grew up in Cabra.
Yeah. But I wonder about the left. I mean, when I say the left, I mean, the Connolly supporting parties of, Labour, the Greens, the Sinn Féin, and the Soc Dems. And I don't think any of them have a candidate in that area that now, could really capture people's imagination, which has, led to this debate of a united left candidate. I don't think that's going to happen.
Yeah.